Hey guys, it's me Bella, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make sock clothes for your American Girl dolls or other types of dolls. If you know American Girl brand, it is very expensive for you to get the clothes, but no longer will you have to buy all of the clothes and accessories. You can make your own. So let's get started. For the first craft, we're going to be making doll scrunchies. For this craft, you will need scissors and you will need a baby sock. Get your scissors and then get your baby sock. Cut on the line if it has one. Make sure that it has a hole inside of it now. Keep the excess part of the sock. Now you've made your doll scrunchie. There you have it, your doll scrunchie. For this craft, you will need a larger sock and you will still need your scissors. Cut halfway up to the heel of the sock. Keep the excess. Now cut on the other side, but don't cut too much. There you have it. You now have a doll skirt. Doll skirt. For this last craft, you'll just need to keep the excess from the doll skirt you just made. You can either turn it into a headband or a scarf. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, and you like. Shout out to my sister for letting me borrow this doll for the video. There's a headband, and there's a scarf.